What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your boy Pete, CEO of Airkewld, here to talk to you about our largest promotion of 2020. And it costs absolutely nothing. That's right, you heard it. Absolutely nothing. How do you get in on this, you might ask? Let me tell you. I need you to sign up for our email newsletter down below and add us to your contacts. Simple, basic, amazing. We're gonna pick one lucky winner. Should be hopefully this year. You just gotta sign up, man. We're looking for 25,000 signups. And if you're subscribed and you've added us to your contacts, we're gonna pick a winner totally by random, and we're gonna be giving away a pro-built beam and a pro-built transaxle. Basically the perfect platform setup for your Volkswagen. That's right, the perfect setup. Obviously, details of this are going to be pertinent to your build and your model and make, whether it's a Type 3, whether it's a Type 2, whether it's a Type 1, whether it's a Fridlin, whether it's a kit car, whether it's a dune buggy. We're going to build a pro-built transaxle for your setup and a pro-built beam for your setup. And it costs $0. So why don't you sign up now? Click the link below. Make sure you add us to your contacts. That way our emails don't end up in your spam folder, your junk folder. And you're gonna get a year's worth of content. You know, cool videos, installation articles. We're gonna do a bunch of new shirts this year. It's gonna be fun. Hope you come along. Enjoy 2020 with your boys here at Airkewld, the pros. Got a lot of new builds, new chassis builds, new project builds, maybe even a new Barrett Jackson build. Should be fun. We want to thank you for being a part of it, and we hope you like the content. Thanks again. Kill it 2020. We'll talk to you soon.